Here we are. What are we playing, Brayden?
Slime Rancher.
Slime Rancher? I didn't know that. Maybe I did. What's new?
Yay! Here, my little boy's here. And he keeps hitting me.
Smash.
My little boy's here and he keeps hitting me.
Bunchy likes the game.
My little boy keeps hitting me. My little boy keeps hitting me. Maybe I should stop saying that. Little boy keeps hitting me. Maybe I shouldn't stop saying that. Yay, 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 yay.
What's our mission now?
To get the diamond port.
With the diamond port?
Yeah. In this area.
This makes sense.
Actually, soon it might make a little less sense. Because this is where you'll find it.
Oh, there's two big shiny things everywhere, though.
They're supposed to be like
Carrots.
little rocks.
Are you gonna have to feed anybody? Whoa.
No, in order to get the bird, I can feed them. But first I have to know what they like. So. Don't worry about that big fat guy over there. Just worry about this ornament. Just worry about this ornament right here.
Quantum ornament.
Just worry about it right now. Yeah, I'll keep you.
Do people normally take those and stick them on their house?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna let you have your ornament because, yay. Uncle, do you not pause it? So like, but then stop, you pause it. Yay. So we're still staring at this, but I'm gonna stop staring at it and throw it away. That's not the trash can. I just like flying things that are not thrown in the trash can.
Nice. Did you put it on the ceiling? I think you did, right? Some water you can go and some you can't.
No, because this is just, that water right there, that's just normal water, except there's a death line. There's a death in the box. So that's normal water, except there's a death in the box.
There's a radiation slide we were looking for the other day. Not anymore.
Yes, it is. You turn into a tar, and I love feeding because they die. Well, I did. I threw it to the other thing. Yeah, I thought I was going to throw it to the other eye.
That was good too. Looked like it for a second. Hi.
Can I please have some heartbeat?
Give him some water.
I want some heartbeat. Give me heartbeat, I'll still splash you again. I'll keep splashing you until you give me heartbeat.
He likes it. He's taking a bath.
How dare you? I'm gonna.
Now you're all clean. Give me heart.
Ha! What?
Where did they all come from?
They came from my mom.
Madness. Quiet. Quiet is the TV. Come here. Bunch of get. Bunch of get. Sit down. No, Bunchy. No. Bunchy. No. Stop it, boy. Stop barking. Quiet. Quiet, you little stinker.
Okay, so.
You want me to hold your mouth? I'll hold it.
Right here. We're right here, so. All we need to do is Why do you do it?
He's aggressive. He's probably hungry.
Just read the manual. He's 100% aggressive. See?
Diet, slimes, favorite ranchers. Oh man, yeah. We'll go back to it real quick. The only way to stop tar outside incinerating it or throwing it into the slime sea is with fresh water. Go down a little. You're right. One splash will stop a tar from spawning new tar, and repeated splashes will destroy it entirely. Because you can use water on it. Okay. Produces goat lords.
We don't need to learn about those.
No.
Okay.
Interesting to know you can take out a tar with water.
But so, wait. How about them flat?
Huh?
Carrot, are you a ghost? Because I saw you land flat without anyone picking you up. No,
Yeah.
so like
Yeah, how did
it
they
popped.
get pulled?
It popped up, then it came back down, then it landed sideways. Guys, I just want to leave with my favorite buddy. This guy.
Where's the diamond port?
What? We have to get it soon because we need more food. So, as you see over here is the big guy, and I'm gonna leave this place right now.
Are you looking for a diamond port because it gives you the most money?
No gold lords. Gold lords give you the most money.
So you're looking for part of the quest.
No, I can do that. Wait. Okay. It's time to go back to the ranch. Oh no! Ah! Ah!
Fast.
Ow! How dare you! I can shoot you in the air. Did you know that? I don't like you. You're the worst. I think this is the best place in the world, 'cause I get to shoot carrots up in the sky and I don't get called by the carrot police. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Carrots
yeah,
for the
yeah, 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 yeah. I just
Do you eat carrots?
know.
No, siree.
And by the way, if I die once, then this video's over. So I'm not trying to die. I don't want to die because I want the video to be over.
Get back out there, Beatrix. Lugo.
Why are you so fun to play with?
Music in there for him.
Why is it so fun to play with? Here.
An internet?
I got an internet.
Oh, so it can't get out.
Now look at this. Got that.
He doesn't have it.
Is
Is he hungry?
he likes playing football.
Oh.
He likes hurting me too.
Oh, what happened to your internet? You destroyed it?
Yeah.
You can't do that so many times.
Go back. We only do it 3 times and I just see, look, it keeps getting more disappear. See, now that it's clear, but then if I walk away, it should come back. No. Okay, yeah. Let's It's not really like a tournament because it opens each time.
Oh, they have an auto feeder?
They don't work.
Yeah, you don't really need them. You can shoot the food into it anyway. Right.